Today we are going to learn about audio tag in HTML. First we need to write the basic structure of HTML. Controls is the mandatory attribute in audio tag. Inside the src, we need to give the location of the audio file. Alt attribute only works when there is an error loading the audio. Loop attribute will play the audio repeatedly. As you can see, the audio is repeated. Autoplay attribute will play the audio automatically when the page reloads. Muted attribute will mute the audio automatically. Here we have completed all about audio tag. Please subscribe the video.